पूज्याय मुरुगेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनुवे. I am KP Darigowder. Welcome to my video classes. Today I am giving you some hints for mouth calculation in addition and subtraction of fractions. See here some examples I given. This is nothing but 4 plus half is nothing but 4 of 1 by 2. This is 4 rupees, this is half rupees, it is nothing but 4 and half rupees. Here special addition, finding LCM, that this not required. Here it is 2 plus 3 by 4, likewise only it is, this is 75 paisa, this is 2 rupees 75 paisa it is. Okay. Here it is, see how we have to do. Half of 1 it is. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 it is. This is 50 paisa, 1 rupee. Then this is 5 rupees. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then it becomes 6. See here, 4 plus 9, whereas 75, 25. 3 by 4 is shortage of 1 by 4 to make it 1. So this 1 by 4 is rest here, then it is 1 and this all become 10. Okay, no need of calculation. See here, 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 by 2, it is above 1 by 2 it is. What is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is half plus quarter. Isn't it? Quarter, then half is included here, then 1 of 1 by 4, 1 quarter, that is 7 of 1 by 4 it is. 7 whole 1 by 4. See here, 1 by 2s are 3, then that became 1 and half. 1 and half, this 10, 12, 11 and half, 13 and half it is. Half, this is 1.5, that is 1 and half, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 1, 13 and half. Is it? Like in subtraction, see, 8 minus half is 7 and half. And here 2 compulsory, because in 1 only you are reducing this. How much it is shortage? 1 by 4. See, what remains is here is 1 by 4. Okay. This here 1 and half quarter. In half only this quarter will go. Quarter will be subtracted from half. Then quarter will be remained. 1 and quarter. 1 of 1 by 4. See here, 3 by 4 it is 1 by 2. Then you will reduce this 1 upon 2 in 3 by 4 only. After reducing, what will remain? 1 by 2 will remain. And these 2 makes same. Isn't it? Then 8 minus 1 is 7. No need of taking from this end. Okay. Then now 9 minus 5 by 6. Say 8 is required and 1 by 6. See how much shortage is there, that you have to write. See, this and this make 1 and 1 plus 8 is 9. See, 2 compulsory, and 11, how much it is shortage? 8 it is shortage. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 by 11 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Like this you can do. Huh? Okay, hope you understood, and pause it and do learn all this. Huh? Okay, one more example I am giving you now. 3 integer 1 by 2 plus 6 of 3 by 4 plus 2 of 8 by 9, like this is so. Then what you have to do here is, see, you should not, two methods you know. One is orthodox method, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 3, like this you are making it improper fraction, all the three you are making improper fraction and taking LCM and doing. Whereas first how you have to do that I will show you. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 2, 11 you have to do. Now this became null now. Nothing is there because already been it is written, isn't it? Now what remained in 3 of 1 by 2? 1 by 2 remained. What remained here is 3 by 4 and here it is 8 by 9. Neglected because it is here, short here. Then you have to add this. Okay. 4 is the multiple of 2. Then 4 and 9's LCM is over. LCM is okay. See, 4 9's are 36. Because 4 and 9 are co-prime numbers. Only 2. Then 2 18's are 4 9's are 9 4's are 18 1's are 18 plus 9 3's are 27 plus 4 8's are 32. Then what it is? 9 plus 8 17, 4 2 6 7 it is 77 by 36. Here write 77 by 30. Oh no, because you need to write what kind of number? Here it should be a proper fraction, whole number plus proper fraction. Got? So 8 plus 15 plus 2, 17. This is 4, 1 came, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 77 by 36. 77 over 36, 77 upon 36. So here what you have to do is, you have to make it improper, sorry, it is already improper, mixed fraction you have to do. See, 36 2's are 72 it is. Okay. 77 divided by 36. It is 72. 2's are. What remained? 5. Again 5 by 36 it is. Isn't it? It means this is 5 by 2 of 5 by 36. Add this here. 2 of 5 by 36. 11 plus 2 is 13. 5 by 6, 36. Okay. And this is, if your answer is in what? Improper fraction, make it these two. 36 into 13. 13 6 is 78. 13 3 is 39. 46 plus 36. 8, 12, 8. 8 to 8 by 36 upon 36. You may get this answer, you may get this answer, whichever. Easy to convey, isn't it? Okay, you can go with this. If it is proper fraction, then directly you can write here. Okay. See, this is 5 by 8. If it is minus, then how you have to do? See here. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 2, 7 you can write directly. Then these numbers gone. If you want, you can cancel. What remained here? 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 8. See, 8 is the LCM because biggest number is multiple of these two. So that is 2 4s are 4 2s are 8 1s are 4 1s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 5 1s are 5. Isn't it? 4 plus 6, 10 minus 5, 5 by 8. Isn't it? Directly write 5 by 8. It is subtracted 5s. 10 minus 5 is 5 by 8. Like this. If here it is, what kind of number? Big number. Then it means improper fraction. Then you have to make it, one example we can say. Three integer 4 by 5 plus 6 integer 8 by 9 minus 5 integer, 5 whole 1 by 9. If it is so, then we have to go. See, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 minus 5, 4 it is. Okay. 9 minus 5, 4 it is. Then, see, 5, 9, 9. 9 5s are 45. Because these two are co-prime. This is also same. 5 9s are 9 1. 9 5s are 9 5s are 9 4s are 36 plus 8 5s are 40 minus 5 1s are 5. Then what here remained? This is 76. This 1 remains here. This is 76. Minus 5. 71 it is. 71 by 45. Then what it is? Whether we have to subtract or add here? We have to add here. Because these two are big, more than 1 it is. And we are reducing very least one. So it remained. Then 45 2s are what? 90 it is. 1s are it is. 45. What remains? 6. And 7 minus 5 it is 2. Then plus 2. 1 26, 1 of 26, 45. 26 upon 45. Then 5 26 of 5 of 26 upon 45 remains. Like this, if it is, you can do. One more example I am giving you. See, that is. See, 8 minus 5, 3. You are reducing. 99 is the LCM because co-prime numbers. 9 11s are 11 9s are 11 1s are 11. This is 10 9s are 90. What remained here is, see, minus 90 minus plus 11. Then what is the value? 979 it is. What it is? This is. Isn't it? Value of this is, value of this is minus 79. Minus 79 upon 99. So here what you have to do is, you have to subtract. Okay, see. Then here leave 1, 2 comes, and this is 0, 2, 9, 9. It is shortage of 20. Huh? Okay. 2 of 20 upon 99. Like this you can cook. And past you can make. Okay. Like my videos. If you'd like or not. Otherwise, you have to comment in why you are not liking. Share it so that others can learn. And subscribe my videos for next videos, whatever my class is there, that I am giving always. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you very much.